Okay, this is a Meta plug. Okay, and this is the Alexa application. And add device. And we search Meta. And we choose Legrand plug, Meta plug. Okay, yes. Is your device turn on? Yes. QR code. Okay. This is the QR code. And we need long press the setting button. And we can see the LED light flash quickly. Yes. Okay, already found and connected. Okay, so the plug skip. Okay, we can see third plug. Okay, let me see this light. Alexa, turn off. Alexa, turn off the third plug.
Sorry, I didn't find a group or device named Sofa.
Yes, you can see. On, off, on. Alexa, turn off the third plug.
Sorry, I didn't find a group or device named Sofa.
We can change your name. We can change the name. Room plug. Alexa, turn on the room plug. Alexa, turn on the room plug.
Okay.
Good, nice. Alexa, turn off the room plug.
Okay.
Good. Alexa, turn on the room plug.
Okay.
Okay, works good.